Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Ngaphambi bangene kule audio le elikhile yale member iMK Party ezifake yona ngomgunyathi isebenza nabanye ngaphakathi ukuze izovotela ube ikhansela laseMsunduzi okugcineke ingahamba kahle indaba yayo. Angiqale la. iMK Party ikhipha statement mayelana nodaba lalabo dokotela laba bamisiwe abaphelele umsebenzi. Noma ke ngeke ngesifunde sonke le statement kodwa nje nasi sifundeka kanje. Umkhonto wesizwe Party is deeply concerned about the ongoing healthcare crisis in the Eastern Cape, marked by the alarming unemployment of qualified junior doctors and the dire working condition faced by those still in the system. This situation, as detailed in multiple memoranda submitted by Eastern Cape doctors to the Premier's office, represents a gross violation of the constitutional right to access healthcare services. Despite the government's earlier commitment to increase the number of trained medical professionals to address the inequities created by apartheid and colonialism, it has now chosen to abandon its own policies, leaving hundreds of doctors unemployed. These doctors who are ready and willing to serve remain idle while parties in underserved communities continue to suffer due to staff shortage and deteriorating service delivery. This crisis extends beyond unemployment. Healthcare facilities across the province are grappling with, point number one, inadequate staffing level lead to life-threatening delays in emergency care. Point number two, poor resources allocation, causing a lack of essential medicines, equipment, and infrastructure. Point number three, unsustainable workloads for few employed doctors, jeopardizing the quality of care. We are particularly alarmed by the lack of urgency in addressing these challenges. Despite the clear and actionable demands made by the unemployed doctors, these demands include budget relocation to employ all qualified doctors, prioritization of rural health care services, and immediate improvement in record management and resource availability. MK Party la iyaveza ukuthi lesimo lesi sisibi kakhulu ngoba bona odokotela laba bathumelile ama-email ofisini lika Prima ikhathe eziningi kodwa ke azange baze banakwe. So lokho nje kukodwa go-violate i-constitution, ilungelo lokuthi wonke umuntu abe ne-access ye-healthcare service. Ngaphandle kwalokho ekubeni ugovernment wayezikhommithile yena ukuthi odokotela laba bangasebenzi bazoqashwa. Ngaphandle kokuze isikhathi ngicela ukucaphuna ngesikhathi upresident wayethembisa khona ukuthi imisebenzi nabo odokotela bazoqashwa. Emveni kwalapho bese singena endabeni yale audio lelikhile.
Imisebenzi for labo ama-graduates, those abanama-degree, abanama-diploma, abangasebenzi okwamanje, nabo sizobakhela imisebenzi. Recently nizwile uMinister of Health ethi labo abangodokotela, the doctors who are unemployed are all going to be employed. Bazayithola imisebenzi.
Umkhonto wesizwe Party uphinde wasuspend amanye ama-members awu-3 abo wa-involve ekuregistreni umuntu o-wrong ukuthi abe candidate yomsunduzi wa-2 elections. Labo bantu abamisiwe uDr Kwazimbanjwa osasuspendelwe enye case, kube uCebisile Zuma okuyena osayini letter enominator umuntu o-wrong, kube kwaziwa ukuthi umuntu obefuneka angene umshenga. Bese kuba uSithabiso Nkabinde ocontestile lapha ya ebe uyena lo muntu o-wrong obe sayinelwe ebenobe kungafanele. If i-audio ke lengizoyidlala inkulumo yakhe uSithabiso lo bekhuluma ngoba kunezimali abayifakile uma benza zonke lezi zinto ngoba benethemba lokuthi bazowina bese eba yikhansela. Na ke i-audio le okudalwa ilindini.
Commanders morning. Hayi balokho besijahe njalo mfana. Hayi balokho besijahe njalo futhi basijaha ngencwadi. Basijaha ngomthetho lo wasentshonalanga. Sengilinde nje kancane. Kwathi nje ngisazoyihliphiza le MK. Ngisazoyihliphiza. Akukona ukuthi sigijimise kakhulu iy'nhlangano zepolitiki ey'gcine zisigugisa amaphakethe ngaphandle kokuhlomula okuthize kuzona.